I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials and taking immediate action. First, confirm your Aadhaar number and that your mobile is the one registered. This matters for OTPs. Go to the nearest Aadhaar enrollment or update center. Do not delay. Present your original photo ID and a photocopy and get a token. Once done, wait for your turn. The enrollment operator will call you to start the biometric recapture and verification process. Once you reach the counter, cooperate with the operator. This is where the technical work happens. The operator verifies your ID and may update demographic entries. Make sure names and DOB match your documents. Next, they capture fingerprints and, if required, iris scans. Hold your hand steady and follow prompts for clean scans. Make sure the preview looks correct. If the system flags poor quality, request a redo. This ensures your biometric data will match later authentications. You finish by confirming the update and taking the acknowledgement slip. This has the SRN you will use to track progress. Make sure the operator prints a timestamped receipt and explains expected timelines. If you need to unlock biometrics for RRB Je specifically, keep the SRN handy for employers or exam authorities. If authentication still fails later, escalate. Call UID, request a manual review, or file a grievance with your UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.